leadership, character, and service. These are the four pillars that encompass the guiding principles of Bicol University to continually strive for quality education and academic excellence. College of Social Sciences and Philosophy, a multifaceted and diverse college, a place for exploration, critical thinking, and the pursuit of knowledge in the diverse realms of the art of social studies and philosophical doctrine. This is where students engage in a dynamic learning environment that encourages them to question, analyze, and understand the fundamental propositions and complexities of human society and its systems. Sa madaling salita, it is a home shaping future leaders, thinkers, and advocates who will contribute to the positive change in our interconnected world.
At ngayon, nandito kami sa Bicol University to celebrate BU Olympics 2023 upang ipakita ang urag ng mga BUenyo.
Tama ka dyan, Kay. Pero bago tayo mag-start, magtanong muna tayo sa ating mga BUenyos kung ano ang mga bagay na tayo lang may alam.
What makes us a BUenyo nga ba? Tara!
World-class university.
Pangit na PE uniform.
Guard sa library.
30 PM class!
Hataw. Welcome to the Bachelor of Science in Psychology, where science meets humanity and the exploration of the mind is a gateway of a future filled with insight, empathy, and endless possibilities. Andito tayo ngayon sa CSSP kasama ang ating mga kapasikologista upang itanong mga bagay na nag-udyok sa kanila para kunin ang kurso na to, pati na rin ang kanilang pagkakakilanlan bilang isang psikologista at BUenyo ng institusyon.
During my high school years, I was exposed to certain books, dramas, and videos relating to psychology. During my course or program decision, I was torn about choosing either engineering or psychology. Tapos, na-realize ko na yung engineering was actually an influence from my parents. Or yung psychology was what I actually truly want.
As I chose BS Psychology kasi I want to better understand myself in different facets, and syempre gusto ko lang maintindihan yung behavior ng isang tao. So
started to experience more understanding with regards to myself. So, alam ko na kung anong mga triggers and mga meaning ng triggers and mga behaviors ko as a person. With the emphasis on psychology kasi very young pa na course, and of course the expectations are at an all-time high, especially nakakagraduate lang ng pioneer batch natin.
There are so many readings in class and books that we need to buy. And also, I am enjoying the activities here in CSSP.
The ultimate goal is learning as much as I can. Challenges and impediments may come my way, but adjusting to the situation and not losing focus is the key to maintaining the core of my goals.